Now that the tribunal has ruled, it is my candid opinion that it is time to set aside whatever misgivings that we may have and move on. The task ahead of us is enormous, requiring unity of purpose, a pooling together of resources, integration of talents, and leveraging the unique attributes of each of the contestants, and we seek to create a better society for our people. Against the background, I solemnly invite my worthy opponents, each of whom is an unqualified success in his own right, to shield their swords and to join me in the collective quest to harness the enormous resources of the state to create a modern economy that would benefit everyone within both state and Nigeria in general. However, having said that, I want to reiterate my gratitude to all those who have made this day a reality. My legal team, led by the unassuming litigation icon, Chief Chris Uche, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, without special mention for always standing by me in all my trials and travails. The leadership of our great party, the People's Democratic Party, ably led by the indefatigable chairman, Alhaji Hamza Kosha Akuyam, and all the members who traverse all nooks and crannies of the state. Notwithstanding, in the process, some of them has encountered a lot of threats and high-handedness, equally deserve some gratitude. Not forgetting are the majority of our non-partisan compatriots who, impressed by the monumental achievements of our first term, took it upon themselves to mobilize electoral support across party lines. To them, we remain grateful. I wish to commend members of the Governorship Election Tribunal who, in spite of indiscriminate demonization of the country's judicial system, painstakingly and professionally peruse the facts, leading to upholding our well-deserved victory. As the saying goes, the sin that concerns us comes last. Now it is time to express my deepest appreciation to members of my family, starting with my dear wife Lami, our children, and particularly our grandchildren, who in the course of the rigorous campaigns were denied their newfound pastime of spending time with their grandpa. It is to them and all the grandchildren of Bauchi State, in whose hands the future of our state will depend, that I dedicate this victory. That done, it is now time for me and all the patriotic citizens of Bauchi State to rededicate ourselves to the task of consolidating on the vision of success of our administration as enshrined in my Bauchi project, developmental blueprint, which has now been sharpened by the report of Dr. Usman Bugaja-led Technical Transition Committee. It is instructive to note that the 3-volume report of the committee did not make any reference or provision to any political party. It only referred to the people of Bauchi State. For the umpteenth time, let me reiterate that I am a governor of Bauchi State, not the governor of PDP, the platform on which I am appreciated I was elected upon. Therefore, let anyone, irrespective of gender, creed, age, political affiliation, or tribe, be rest assured that my administration will strive at all times to uphold the oath of office I took to administer the state with fairness, equity, and justice. Let me remind us, even at the risk of sounding like the proverbial cracked record, that the campaigns are over. And campaigns are for elections. When they are over and the results declared, then governance takes center stage and admonish us all to be guided. May Allah continue to guide us to the right path so that together we may bequeath to the present and future generation a legacy of peace, progress, and prosperity, where we are going to take along all our leaders, our